Welcome back, YouTube. Thank you for coming and checking out Fat Guy Builds. Today we're doing the rear deck speakers in my S550 Mustang. They're DD Audio 6.5s. Model number is DX 6.5. This is what it looks like. This is what you get in the package. You get two grills, obviously, but we're not going to use the grills. So they're 50 to 150 watt. Here's what the front looks like, and the back. Pull down the seats by pulling the clips on each end, and it'll fold down the seats. Pull on this cover, pull it down out of the way. Now we're going to pop this piece up and out so that we can get the carpet from underneath. There's a plastic tree clip on the very corner of the carpet. Pop that out. Now you can unplug the factory plug. Use a 7mm socket and remove the 3 screws from all the way around. Here's the difference in the front of the speakers, and then in the back you'll be able to tell a big difference right away. So the size of the magnet, the weight of the speaker, the material it's made out of, it's all different. Once you get the screws out, they have these little tabs, one here and one here holding it in. So you're just going to have to pop it or pry it out of the back deck. First things first, we got to tear these things apart. We're not going to do a shitty install like those stage 3 guys. And you're going to use the dikes, and a blade is pretty much all you need. So you're going to take the dikes, cut the wires up here and in the front so you can get it out. So just cut these and there like that, and then now I'm going to cut here all the way around like so, right? Oh, that's cute. Throw that shit away. Then, I'm going to take this razor, cut the cone out all the way around, right? Then, you're going to take the dikes here, and you're going to cut each of these legs all the way around. Then, the whole centerpiece will come right out, chuck it in the trash. So here is what it looks like when you first take it out. Here is what it needs to look like. So you just clean it up, take all this foam and shit and the leftover parts here, any leftover parts here. Just make sure it's all clean so that we can put the new speaker inside of this. Next, I use Permatex Right Stuff, and I put it all the way around the edge as a gasket. It helps get rid of some vibrations between the two. Then I offset this bracket, right, the factory speaker. I offset it to where these tabs are in the opening. That way we can never have a short when we get to the next steps. And then pushed it together so it seals, and I'm just going to let it dry, and then I'm going to put 4 screws through the normal holes into the plastic. Pre-drill and then put in a screw. I have 4. Now solder a wire left side to left side, right side to right side. Once you're done with that, you can reinstall the speaker into the rear deck. Once you have the speaker mounted back in there, go ahead and plug it in, and then reverse the steps for the interior carpet, and you're all done. I'd like to thank everybody for checking out this video and letting a fat guy help you install some rear deck speakers. Till next time, wrench on.